Today I'm going to show you this new pillow that I got. It's a ventilated memory foam pillow from Comfort and Relax. It does have AirCell technology. I have already tried it out. It's very comfortable. So stay tuned. This is the Comfort and Relax ventilated memory foam bed pillow. It does feature AirCell technology. It comes with a little sleep mask with it, a little bag, and it has a removable cover where you can take a look at the pillow itself and the little cells there. I'd say that this pillow has kind of a medium firmness to it. This one is the standard size, which is 24 by 16 by 4.5 inches. I feel some memory foam pillows to be too firm. This is a very good amount of firmness, where it, once you lay down, it kind of cradles you, but that you don't want it too soft either and squishy so you sink too far into it. I think this is the perfect consistency. I do like the fact that it's not contoured. I like the standard pillow shape. And with the memory foam, you can lay on it and it, will conform right to the shape of your head, whether you want to sleep on your back or on your side. It works either way. And it has AirCell gel fuel, it has AirCell gel infused dual side covers, as you can see here. One side of the pillow is 50% polyester, and they say 50% ice fabric. It's a silky fabric that's perfect for summer sleeping, while the other side is, they say it's 65% polyester and 35% Tencel, which is supposed to be for winter. So it does respond to temperature and pressure. Some people, like myself, actually tend to get sweaty at night, so they might prefer to use the cool side all year. This did have, a very slight odor when I opened it, but it dissipated, very quickly within a day. So according to Comfort and Relax, this foam that's used is, they say, CertiPure US certified for safety and performance. It does not contain any toxic ingredients like formaldehyde, methane chloride, or PBDE, and does provide a protective barrier against allergens such as mold, dust mites, and other bacteria. I think this is a really nice pillow, nice firmness. Very soft and comfortable. I love the dual sides with the temperature. You can remove this cover very easily to wash. I think this is a really nice one. Please be sure to check the description section below for more information on this pillow. And we always appreciate any likes or comments or subscription to our page. Thanks very much for watching.